Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there on the left down corner you'll see the edit icon. Just tap here, and if you wanna add one more item here on your notification panel from this item, just hold the icon and drag it to this up section, and now you'll see this icon on your notification panel. Also, we can just add one more icon here by the same way. Just hold and drag it here, and if you wanna remove the icon from your notification panel, by the same way, hold and drag it here to this down section. Also, you can just change the position of icons. Just hold the icon and drag it to the position where you want to just pick this item. And then just to save the changes, go back and you'll see all your changes on the notification panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.